duck goes waddle, 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 splashing in puddles, a happy little dollar. He loves the cool water, he loves the blue sheen, the happiest duckling that you've ever seen. Waddle, waddle, Pippin is on his way, looking for a friend on a bright sunny day. Tilly the chick goes hop, 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 a little yellow fluffy ball that never wants to stop. She peeks at the flowers and she climbs over stones, exploring the meadows all on her own. Hop, hop, Tilly is small and she's sweet, moving her busy, tiny yellow feet. At the edge of the pond where the water turns blue, Pippin and Tilly saw something new. Ooh, look at the sky, ooh, look at the ground, two little hearts making a brand new sound. Friendship is a bridge that we built side by side, in the deepest of waters or the tallest of tides. Hop and a waddle, a beak and a wing, friendship is the song that we both want to sing by side. Side by side. Tilly looked closer, hop she went, over the tall grass her curious head leaned. But splash, 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 she fell in with a fright. The water was cold and she shook with her might. Pippin saw Tilly and he knew what to do. He swam through the water to help her get through. Waddle and splash, he brought her to the side, with a brave little heart and a loving little guide. Friendship is a bridge that we built side by side, in the deepest of waters or the tallest of tides. Hop and a waddle, a beak and a wing, friendship is the song that we both want to sing by side. Side by side. Helping each other with a splash and a hop, the love of a friend is a thing that won't stop. Pippin and Tilly, two hearts in a nest, knowing that Tilly's
Thank you for watching Con Kids TV. We hope you learned and had fun.